Hello everyone, I welcome all of you to my channel. As the name itself suggests, this channel is all about basics of computer engineering. Here you all will get to learn about coding in series. We will learn C, C++, Java, Java Advanced and Python. The first language in our series is C language, so let's start with it. We will be practicing C language on mobile, so the link for the app is given in the description box. गाइस कोई भी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज स्टार्ट करने से पहले हमें उसके दो बेसिक्स पता होने चाहिए विच इज़ एल्गोरिदम एंड फ्लो चार्ट्स. So in this video we will learn in depth about algorithms and flowcharts. So let's start with it. Let us understand the definition of an algorithm. So what exactly is an algorithm? Algorithm is a basic set of instructions which is to be executed to get desired output or results. Now let us look at the characteristics of an algorithm. There are total 5 characteristics of an algorithm. The first one being unambiguous. It should not be confusing. The second one is input. It should have at least one or more well-defined input. Third one being output. Algorithm should have at least one or more well-defined output as well. The fourth one being sequence. Steps that are written in an algorithm should always be in sequence. They shouldn't be written randomly. And the fifth one being finiteness. Algorithm must terminate after finite number of steps. It shouldn't be too long or too short. Now let us look at the factors affecting algorithm. So there are total 4 factors affecting algorithm. These are time, accuracy, memory and generability. Now let us look at examples of algorithm. We will start with a basic algorithm which is of addition of two numbers. So let's begin with it. Algorithm is always written in steps. The first step is always start and the last step is always stop. The second step in this algorithm is reading or declaration of the variables. Here in the second step I have already declared two variables a and b. Now in the third step I am writing the actual process, and actual process over here is add the two numbers a and b and store the value in another variable named c. Now in the fourth step I am actually displaying the value which is stored in the variable c. And then last step is stop. Here ends our first algorithm of addition. Similarly, it can be written for subtraction, for multiplication and for division of two numbers. Now let us quickly begin with the concepts of flowcharts. Let's start with the definition of flowcharts. Diagrammatic representation of an algorithm is called as a flowchart. Steps of an algorithm are shown in the form of different shapes, and flow of steps are indicated by arrows or basically called as flow lines. Flow lines always flow in only and only one direction. They are unidirectional. Now let us look at the benefits of writing a flowchart one by one. First, it is easy to understand. Second, it provides a better way of communication. Third one, it makes our coding even more easier. And the fourth one is proper testing and debugging. Now let's see the symbols used in a flowchart. Here is the list of symbols along with their names. Now let us look at the first flowchart of addition. In this flowchart we have made use of terminal, flow lines, input output and processing symbols. Similarly, we can make flowcharts for subtraction, for multiplication and also for division of two numbers just by looking at the algorithms. Here I would like to end my video. I hope that you all have enjoyed watching it. I'm eagerly waiting for the reviews. So do share your reviews in comment section. And if you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends. Guys, you can also follow me on my Insta page. The link of my account is given in the description box. And if someone wants to join a rapid 1-month course for C at beginner level, then also they can text me personally on my Insta page and get to know about the fees as well. In that they will be given one-on-one attention as well, and the class will be totally taken online. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope that you all have enjoyed it.